Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel, and if you are new, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, we are going to cut out the pattern that we used for the shirt we just made. I figured out how to manipulate that pattern as well to make the arms a little deeper. Okay, so here's where you will sew all the way around from top to top and then turn that back the right side out. And you will do this for both front pieces and your back piece. So one thing I did not do with this jacket is iron the whole way through. That would have made a big difference with the jacket as well. Okay, so now that you have both, well, all three pieces turned right side out, you will put the front to back, and this is your front flap to your back, and then you will sew that up. You will do the same thing for the other side as well. Pin your sleeve and sew it up. After sewing the sleeve, I hemmed it while it was still open. It seems to be a lot easier to do it that way for me. I took measurements of how long I wanted my collar to be, and I got like 62 inches, but I didn't make it that long. And here's where I took my collar and I turned it inside out, sewed that up all the way around, left a little part open, and turned it right side out. Pin your collar onto your jacket so that it doesn't move while you're sewing. And that's it. Here's the finishing results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas that you want to see me make or try to make, just put that in the comment section below. Thank you.